You are looking at one of the most premium all-in-one solution on our channel as of today, as well as otherwise that you will find online. Now this is a special product from Focal. Focal's luxury partner, the Naim Audio, came up with this series called Muso series, and this is one of their flagship product called Naim Muso Hekla. Couple of years ago, we reviewed the Naim Muso 2 speaker on our channel. And now we have got this bigger version which is almost double the size of the Naim Muso 2 and one of the most premium flagship product from Focal, that is the Muso Hekla. Now before I jump into the product details and tell you how it is, how good the sound is, how good the performance is, let us first understand the category of all-in-one solution. Because I've been literally screaming on all of my social media handles that it is an era of all-in-one solutions. Now all-in-one solution is something where it gives you the comfort and convenience to cast music from your handphones. It can be in the form of Bluetooth or even Wi-Fi. The third opportunity that you get with an all-in-one solution is that you can connect it to the TV using an HDMI ARC, which again takes away the efforts of using multiple remote control. The third is that you can also watch movies, play games, and that too in surround formats, because you don't have to add multiple speakers into your space. You can just bring home one product and it does the job of giving you a nice wider sound field. If you are confused whether you should treat this speaker as a soundbar or you should treat it as a music speaker, well, hold on. Don't go by the looks of it. I know it is very wide. It is almost 40 inches in width, almost 11 to 12 inches in depth and 4.5 inches in height. So by the looks of it, the first instance tells you that this is more like a soundbar, but this does not have the wall mount option. It is more like a speaker which needs to sit on the cabinet or a shelf and needs to speak in volume for itself. There's nothing else that you can do with it. It is a more of a classic piece statement on that cabinet. With this nice metal body and with fancy grills on the top, on the sides, as well as a nice fabric grill in the front, trust me, everybody would come to know that this is a speaker which defines luxury. Now if you look at the back panel is completely covered up with a nice heatsink running right from the start to the end. The connectivity options are in the middle, giving you a very nice convenient form factor and placement options. There's a HDMI ARC, there's an Ethernet port, there's an optical port, and there is an audio out port which is in the form of RCA, which can be used for aux as well as for subwoofer. There is literally no other connectivity option. It's pure digital first product, and it has also got a bass port on the side. Now the reason why you need bass port, well, this speaker has got 3 woofer drivers in the front. So imagine the kind of bass that it can achieve. If you see the specs on paper, you will see that this speaker has the capacity to go as low as 30 Hz, which is literally equivalent to a nice 3-way tower speaker. Now, apart from the 3 woofer drivers, there are also 2 tweeters which are right at the farthest corners. Then you have 2 mid-range drivers which are around 3 inches. The tweeters are around 1 inch each. And then you have got 4 speakers on the sides, 2 on each of the sides, and again 2 drivers on the top on both the sides. So making the total count of speakers 15. So there are total 15 speakers in the Muso Hekla, and they together can generate a power output of 660 watts, which is very high, and you can definitely use the speaker even for a bigger living spaces. So something like 400-500 square feet can still be easily driven by these speakers. Now let's talk about the other connectivity options. Bluetooth 5.0, which is good enough, but the primary option where I would see this as a more high-res audio supported speaker is in the digital connections. Especially if you're going to do the Wi-Fi casting or the AirPlay casting, you're going to use Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Qobuz, everything is available on the speaker. And one of the most eye-catching element on the speaker is this particular dial that you can see on the top. Now this round dial is literally engraved into the product. If you see the band that runs around it, the way you can see the slopes are created, and then you have this elevated platform for the volume control as well as for the 5 presets, power button, play pause button, controlling the input. It has literally got everything that one may need even if they want to physically access this product. Now, speakers like this do not just give you one control. They also give you an app from which you can control the speakers in a much more better way. And especially for this particular speaker, Focal has gone way above in controlling the sound across the entire speaker. Not just the individual drivers, but even the room calibration technology, they have got everything built in onto the app. So the first glimpse of the app looks extremely neat and tidy. Now you can see all the sources are there on the top. Now these can be arranged and you can customize it. All I had to do was go into the app settings, go into the source layout, and I can actually drag and drop all these sources. So this is how we could get all of these sources on the top. Below are the presets. Now currently these presets I've been trying to play around with it to see if I can select a Spotify track as one of the preset tracks, or maybe a Spotify playlist, which is our own test track playlist, as one of the presets, so that I can just simply press one button on this dial as well as on the app and we can start with the playlist. Unfortunately, it is currently available only for internet radio, and maybe once I go into Tidal, it can give me an access to the Tidal songs and put that as a preset. Apart from this, as I mentioned, the adapt room setup. Now the adapt calibration technique is extremely simple. You just need to feed in certain information, which you can do it manually if you're doing the calibration using the iPads. If you're doing it over the smartphones, then you have got an option where you can turn on the cameras, and the cameras can do the measurement between the speaker on and the left side, right side wall, back of the wall, the opposite side wall, as well as your listening position. So either with these two ways, the speaker is able to calibrate itself in a way that it can understand the room and it can program the sound. So this is something called as the adapt technology, which is the proprietary technology from Focal. Then if you see the other settings, you have got the streaming services. You can see the standard services available, Spotify, Qobuz. Unfortunately, the Apple Music is not incorporated, but since the speaker is AirPlay 2 compatible, you can always go back to the Apple Music app and cast music via AirPlay 2. Apart from that, one of the best features that I found out with this particular speaker and with the app is the channel levels. Now this is literally like an AV receiver where you can increase and decrease the sound of each of the 15 drivers that we spoke about. So if you see, there's left channel, there's center. Now center is phantom, but yeah, that's also been given. Then you've got the right channel, you've got the surround channels, which are the side speakers. Then you have got the height channels. Now technically, when we increase and decrease the speakers or the sound levels, it is not going to program only for one speaker. It is overall going to fine tune the entire system in such a way that the sound which needs to come from the top and whatever speakers are throwing the sound in that direction will try to increase the decibels. So that is how this particular part works. Then comes another beautiful thing in this particular audio settings, which is the subwoofer selection. Now we all know that there is a subwoofer out at the back, which can be used to pair it with some other subwoofers or even Focal's wireless subwoofer. Because what we did is we tried to connect it to the Focal Sub Air, which is a wireless slim subwoofer. And trust me, amazing experience, because now you've got a special driver which is taking care of the complete bass, and you don't just have to rely on the bass that is built in into the speaker. The moment you say that you want to enable the external subwoofer, it will give you two controls. The first one is the crossover, the second one is the levels. One of the key highlights that you should always note for a speaker like this is not just involved around the design, around the app, but it is beyond that. The processor that Focal has installed in this particular speaker gives you an additional benefit of a movie surround sound. The standard Dolby outputs are there. Dolby Atmos rather is advertised even on the side of this particular box. But the Sphere movie experience and the Sphere music experience is what the Muso Hekla really stands out from the rest of the lot in the all-in-one solution. This Sphere movie and Sphere music is actually trying to recreate the magic of Dolby Atmos without having to put any wiring all around your room. With this one box, they try to work around the crosstalks, they try to work around the beam formation, and they try to give you the phantom output that is required to make you feel that the sound is moving around you. Now, if you want to know if this speaker is really the right one for your living spaces, drawing rooms, or bedrooms or media rooms, then feel free to reach out to our experts using the link that is shared below or the number that has been shared out here, because this speaker deserves a special attention. And if you are planning to buy the speaker in your spaces, then don't forget to check that across with our team. I know you all are super excited to know the price, and I even know the fact that the moment I put out the price, you are going to hit the comment section and tell me, wow, this is so expensive. India is not ready for this. Who buys this speaker? Trust me, people buy. Okay. In one of our previous videos, we spoke about the Canvas HiFi soundbar, which was again around 5 lakh rupees, and you won't believe the kind of numbers that the soundbars does today. Apart from that, the other speakers in the all-in-one category, which are starting from 2 lakh, including the Muso 2, they all get sold. It's just that you need to have an eye and a vision to see if this particular speaker matches in your environment, where you do not want to do any wiring, where you do not want to build up the big cabinets, and you want something which is a much more sleeker, classier, a luxury product. Because this is all about that. And that's why the company puts a price tag of 5,60,000 rupees on the Muso Hekla as of today in the Indian market. Now, obviously, these are the MRP. We have got some exciting offers which are running only for few stocks and only for few time period. So in case you want to grab this opportunity and make some crazy deal with this product, then don't forget to reach out to our team using the link that is shared in the description, as well as you can see it on our website tapav.com. And now let's come to the final conclusion. Who is this speaker best suited for? Well, I see that this speaker is mostly more convenient, more flexible for people who already have got a dedicated home cinema room. They know that a wired solution is required to bring that nice movie experience for the family in a dedicated space. But for their living rooms, for their drawing rooms, they want a solution where they can connect it to the TV if the sound is required to do that. If you want to just cast music from your phone, and if you want a nice lifestyle product sitting on the cabinet which speaks volume about just luxury and the premiumness, then I feel the focal Muso Hekla deserves to be in that space. Let me know your thoughts on this speaker, and if you want to review this product, if you want to test it, if you want to audition it personally, then don't forget to check out our experience centers online. Thank you so much for watching this video. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.